In today's video, I'll be building a guardrail for this heat pump right here. And the reason why I have to build a guardrail is to prevent trailers from backing into the heat pump, which would suck because they're expensive. Just looking at my steel rack right here, I think I'm pretty lucky today because I've already found the 60x60x4 and the 50x50 is also right there. Now that the surface of all the parts have been ground down and prepped for welding, I'll just have to drill these 2 holes and then I should be ready to get on with the assembly and welding process. Now let's get drilling. Alright, I've drilled all of the 8 holes in total and also did a bit of a countersinking, and that means the last thing I have to do is get all of these things welded together with the TIG welder. And I know that some of you will be saying that TIG welding isn't the most efficient method for welding together pipe like this, and especially when it doesn't have to be pretty. But it's what I have. I do have some electrodes, but I don't like the sparks. And as I just said, I don't have a Mac or a MIG welder, so I'll just stay to TIG. And maybe in the future I'll buy another welding machine and we should try that out. Those were the first 2 segments completed. I think the welds turned out pretty great. And this is with carbon steel threading, so I just have pretty decent settings. I am running on max amperage and I think my machine is handling it, but I can't weld for more than about 5 minutes at a time or 6 minutes at a time before it starts shutting down, which is a preventative measure that the machine has built into its system to prevent it from cooking all of the electronics while welding. Because if you run at 160 amps for like 12 minutes, then the hose and everything will just get way too hot. Now the next thing I have to do is to get this long beam right here laid across on the table, and then I just have to pair it with these ends right here to these ends right there. I think I've just done something pretty stupid. When you have to galvanize assemblies like these, you have to make holes everywhere. And I've completely forgotten that, which is kind of stupid, but I think I can save it. I'll just have to drill a couple of holes with the hand drill right here. Oh yeah, and before I drill any holes, I just thought that you should check out these welds. Alright, I think it turned out pretty great. I will not be mounting it in this video because it still has to be galvanized, but I still think it was a pretty great project. And if you like to see fabrication videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really like you guys to help me reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you especially like this video and exactly this video, please like this video and drop a comment about anything else you want to watch.